If you have a lot of clips, then one way to manage them is by using the grouping feature. So over here, you can see that I got layers of clips right here. I got graphics, I got clips. So what I can do is to manage them out all together, I can simply select out the portion that I want. I can right click and then I can group it up. The shortcut key for it is Ctrl+Z, but I'm just going to go around and group this ahead. And now what you can see is now all of the clips that was a part of this, the layers, the shapes, everything is now acting as a single clip. So they all act as a single clip right here. But if you want to go inside, what grouping does is that it just groups it out via clip. It does not actually hard renders everything out. So what you can do is you can simply go around and work with the group components as well. So simply what you have to do is you can expand it out just like this. So over here on the top, just like this, you can double click on it and you can see that it expands. You can also click on this plus icon, which opens up the group. It's the same setting. So you can work around with this group, as you can see, and group on its own is its own timeline. So you can work around with it and then minimize the group just like that according to what you want. You can also select multiple clips right here, move it around just like that, and you have its own option. You can also turn groups and have groups within groups, as you can see right here. And now that group has its own timeline. So this makes working out much more easier and manageable just like that. If you want to ungroup the things out, you can just right click and ungroup, or the shortcut key for it is Ctrl+U right here, and that ungroups everything out. You can go around and group them out again just like that and rename the group as well. You can go over here and let's say, for example, to give it a more meaning, you can say something like TutorTube right here, and this is the TutorTube group. And that is how you can work with grouping and ungrouping clips inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.